Session 18. We have taken off the EMAs. We're trying to go back to naked. We're trying to focus. Feeling a little lost. Here, price does exactly what we wanted to do. We broke, got a follow, came back, retraced, we got in. The only thing we probably could have did better is maybe taken a certain a risk reward, but trailed it, did good. It was only 200. I wish I would have did more risk and got in there, because now I'm in in this market longer, which means there's more risk for me to lose money. And you see, we got back-to-back losers here trying to get this short. Excuse me, because clearly price is retracing, but I just wasn't patient. And that seems to be the problem, is really not realizing there's going to be 100 trades for me to take. I don't need to rush, or it's okay to just watch. Like, let this shit rock. See, I turned the fucking EMAs back on because I'm like thinking, what's going on? Like, just to confirm, I'm like, I should be short. And here, it does not look good. That looks like a reversal situation. And then, I got in. I just never got in. Like, price, it went too fast. And that's like knowing the bias and marking my highs and lows. And I keep saying that, but I'm gonna start doing it, because I see how I get zoomed in and zoomed out. Like, a lot of that, when you get zoomed in too much or stay there too long, you don't know. Like, a new high may have happened, but it may not have been a higher high, or broke the structure situation. And see this right here, you're trying to see the fact I was trying to go short there. Like, there was no reason to go short, because this is such a small time frame. It's like literally what's happening in the moment. Like, you can plan bigger moves, but like, I'm not in the market that long to do that. But that's what they do say, that you should like look at a higher time frame and then come down to this. So maybe that's something I do need to look at. So I have like key areas. So I feel like a lot of people that are good at this have like areas or numbers and shit. Like, they pay attention to it a lot, even though they only be in there briefly. It's like you spend years to figure this out just to trade for 10 minutes. Like, it's like any trader skill. So I'm getting my ass whooped. I'm about halfway through this, and things are just not connecting. And a lot of that is focus on my part, is paying attention and seeing the move when it happens. Like, sometimes I get distracted and I'm thinking we're bearish when it's still bullish, and that seems to be what has happened a lot on this. Because I should have just been going long, and like I was, but see how high? Like, I bought high. You're supposed to buy low. Yeah, and that was my last trade. See that? I was like, I think I pulled this up here. I'm pretty sure it took hella long. Like, it was just I was getting in too late, or my stop was too tight. Getting in too late. Like, that's usually what happens if your stop is too tight. I think I let this go, and price did end up going up. So it's like, if I just set it and leave it the fuck alone, and see I'm on the minute looking, and that's where I do need to go to the higher time frame and kind of draw my chart, and then go to that tick and look for my bias in those areas, because clearly that is the thing for a reason. See, like, I'm doing it right now because I'm like, you fucked up, you wasted. Because it's like, it doesn't matter if you're not getting quality trades, you're just basically gambling, or you're donating, you're just like fucking around. You might as well be on a demo or a practice. Like, you gotta like treat this shit real, like it's the office. This video is short. Again, wasn't expecting this, but the trading, it didn't last long because I kind of was a little too sporadic. But tomorrow is Friday, and that'll be the last session of the week. we got one green day so far, but fortunately we're not down much. I think we're only down like 500 for the week, 600 maybe. So there's not a rush, or it's not a race. So like as long as the account's open, we live. So be grateful and be patient. See this shit going back up. Like I just have to be patient and do what I've seen in the past, and the future will be bright.